can't be now. Whoa, the bombs just never end. They detonate inside my head, tearing up my generation. Whoa, they fed us all a lie, buried truths until they die, leaving nothing but a salutation. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free, I taught her how to leave.
Keeping up, just keeping the pattern. Just keeping up, keeping up. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break, like a breathing bandit is on display, and you pull me in, and I can't look away. Nothing matters, it's a pattern. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break, like a breathing bandit is on display, and you pull me in, and I can't look away. Nothing matters, it's a pattern.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment.